Welcome, welcome. Today I decided to switch it up a little bit. We are going to be playing a horror game. I've never played this one before, but there are 7 different characters that you can be. 3 are from the family, and 4 are the victims that have been tortured and are trying to escape. So I decided to be one of the victims this time, and we're going to see if I can get out alive. Okay, I think I'm being a little too loud. Oh, my fellow prisoner over there already broke free.
It hurts. I have to get out of here.
Oh, they're already out. I'm gonna be the last one to leave.
Please, God, help me.
Oh no, I hope that wasn't too loud. Ew, it awakened Grandpa. Is it safe to move yet? How do I know when it's safe to move?
You're alive.
I'm right here.
This might stop the bleeding.
Something useful.
Leland, thank goodness you're still here.
Everywhere I turn, there they are.
I might just follow.
I can't get through.
Oh, I can use a bone as a weapon. This game's making me feel like I have to talk softer, like they're gonna hear my voice.
Let me see.
This might come in handy.
Need to find a way out. They're everywhere. Okay. Gotta get out of here.
Come on. I gotta find something I can use.
Where did you go?
I can use that.
Oh no.
Maybe I can open those doors. I gotta find a way out of here.
Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap.
This will help.
Another one can't hurt, right? That had to be really loud. How do I pick the lock? Dang.
Got this.
Crap. Crap, I think there's just 2 of us left then. Here we go.
Come on back now. Got something I want to show you.
Don't come over here.
Yeah. Hey, you
Oh,
okay?
I'm trying to fight and nothing's happening. Oh, that's painful.
You're gonna look real nice next to that friend.
Okay, I'm gonna call it there, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more like this, and I hope to see you next time.